We are at the E period high and the I period 98, just a few points above us, is where some initiated selling happened in the BC decongestion area. I'm a little bit hesitant with this erratic volume. Look at this, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, no bid activity at all. There's some cross trade here. Alright, we're going to take a position here soon. Let's take the 94 3/4. I wanted to take the 95. Let's take the 94 3/4. We'll keep an eye on the 98 area. We're going to look to bet our position somewhere up here. The 97s, I believe, the 98s were where the activity was exactly. Let me see, from the 96s to the 99s. Okay, so we made a mistake there. We were a little bit early, I think, but we saw the cross trade happen here, so we went ahead. But we'll bet our position if we can get up to the 97s or 98s. Of course, our money management is the same as it always is. We'll exit one at 92.50 for our point and a quarter. We haven't betted our position yet. We might have missed the opportunity. We still have our two short at 93.75. We almost pulled the trigger up here in the 96s, 97s, but we were trying to wait for the 99s and we didn't get them. So we're just going to stand by here. The 96 to 99 area was where we had some initiative selling in that congestion area, in the, I think it was the D period. And so we were premature on the 93.75s. But that was, we followed our rule by looking for cross trade, and the volume today is still a little erratic. Big range. It seems that we're appearing to make a balanced day. Initially I was thinking we were doing a trend day. We had lower highs and lower lows, and the I period here is a period to get short if we are in fact trying to make a trend day. If it's a balanced day, then we could see the I period go a little higher and try to take out the D period high in the 1302s, but it would have to get through that 96 to 99 area. So we'll see if we can get filled. We won't take any up with us. Once we get filled on the 1.25, we'll break even on the others, and we'll stand tight here. An additional point, we're 30 points off of the G period low also. We see some cross trade up here too. High point of control 11 to 7. We missed that. I was distracted for a minute. We could probably still get the 96s, but I'm going to wait until if we go up a little higher. I'd like to get the 98s if we get up that high. Alright, we're going to take the 96s, bet our position here. Okay, so we are short 2 at 93.75, short 2 at 96. We'll give the 93.75s back for break even. We'll liquidate one of our 96s at 93.75, and we'll put our target on the other one at 90. Oh boy, where should I put this target? The point of control is all the way. Actually, the point of control is above us. That's interesting. We'll put our 5-point target from 96 at 91. Okay, we're out of the 93.75s for break even, and for a 2.25 on the second contract. So we're break even on the first two. We made 2.25 points on the second, and our exit for the last contract, that would be the last contract of the second trade, is 91. That's 5 points below our entry at 96. We'll hang tight for that, Phil. Of course, our break-even stop is put in now at 96. Alright, we're approaching the 91 area. I wouldn't be surprised if this market goes back down to the consolidation area of EF, GH, I in the 80s, but our 91 target we're going to keep here. Our stop is up at 96. We didn't give much thought to a trailing stop strategy. Well, actually, I have given thought to it, but I haven't come up with a plan that I'd like to test. So we're just going to stand tight with the 5-point target. By the way, the other video that we made, we got our target. I hit the wrong key, so we stopped the video, but you could see in the video that we already had hit our 90-50 target. So we got filled with a total trade of 6 1/4 points for our first trade. This is our second trade of the day. Well, they took it up to the 95s, but they didn't hit our 96 stop, which was our entry on the second set of contracts. So we're going to stand tight here. I definitely need to come up with a trailing stop strategy, something that's easy, something I can calculate in my mind quickly and execute quickly. I don't know if it would be in terms of percentage. I guess it would have to be in terms of percentage. There's erratic volume. There's hardly anything on the bid. Matter of fact, I don't like this trade, but I know if I get out of here, the market's going to go back down toward the consolidation. That I period looks like a wonderful place to short. It's just with no trade on the bid, the market's erratic and just is bouncing around everywhere. Goes from 92.5 to 93.5 with nothing. We're going to stand tight with our 91 though. Alright, finally we got a little volume here at the bid. 800, 900, the pullback column's negative, the reversal column's negative. We see a little cross trade here. We're at the cross trade at the E period high. That's not probably unusual considering the E period high was, the F period high was a retracement, and then the market sold off 30 points from there. So this point acts as a little bit of a support. Still have our 91 target with our 96 stop. See, 93s are sort of halfway in between there, so with a trailing stop, you know, you might be able to pull a profit out and look for a re-entry. We're definitely forming a line here. J period just opened up, so we're going to stand tight here. Alright, looks like we're trying to break down toward 91 here. My chart's freezing up a little bit, I'm not sure. Time to upgrade our computer, I think. Boy, it got down to 91.50 and didn't click 91. There's 91.75. Alright, we're going to take the 92s at the market. 92 1/4, we're out of here. 92 1/4 is our fill. Oh, look at that, 91 on the bid, nothing on the ask. We're out of the market at 92.25. Well, let's see if it clicks 91 on the ask. Probably will. I don't see 91 as any specific stopping area. It was just sort of arbitrary. Well, actually 91, if you go back to the 1347 time frame, was an area that was part of an initiative run up to the 97 area. 91 may not get filled on the ask. We'll let the video run for another few minutes and see. There's 91 on the bid, another 93 sold, nothing bought. Alright, it'll probably click through 91 now. We see some volume at the bid. There you go, 91 would have been filled, but we got filled at 92.25, and that's okay. It's not completely optimized, but I have an errand to do right now, so I don't want to keep any open positions and not be able to manage them. So that's we got 225 on the first contract, and we got, let's see, 375 on the second.